Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. However, I am actually in the process of doing some big remodeling projects, so I'm not doing a lot of decorating right now. But since it's summertime, I thought I would sit outside in my backyard and do a few tag videos for you so that you could get to know me better. So this first one is called the Most Used, Least Used, and Cutest Handbag Tag. And I saw this on the channel Home Decorating with Liz, which I will link down below for you. So with that being said, let's get started. So I'm going to start out with my most used handbag. This is it. And as you can see, it's really more of a wallet than it is a handbag. And I like it because it's compact. It keeps me from accumulating a bunch of stuff in my purse, and it's a crossbody bag, if you can see that. So you can just sling it over like this, and your hands are free for whatever summertime activity you have. It's also small enough that if I wanted to take a bigger tote bag along so that I could hold some other things, this would just slip right inside of it. So I always try to get a little wallet bag like this to use, and this is my most recent one. I've had this for several years now, and I think I got it either at TJ Maxx or from Nordstrom Rack. Now it's also nice because it has this clasp on the front that you just turn, and then it has a zipper so that nothing can fall out of the bag. It's also really secure that way if you go traveling, and it has a metal link strap rather than a leather one that can be easily cut. This would be harder to cut. So I actually like to use this bag when I travel because I feel it's very secure with the zipper, the clasp, and then this chain that can't be cut easily unless you have wire cutters or something. But I think I would notice if someone started trying to wire cut my purse chain. And then inside there are a few sections. I'm not going to show you because what I have in here because they're my personal items. But one thing I did want to show you was this little envelope, and I like to keep this, excuse me a second, something fell out. I like to keep this little envelope that I got at the Container Store actually in my wallet purse so that I can slip receipts into it and they don't get cluttered up. So this is what I use if I go out to eat somewhere or make a purchase. I put them all in here, and then I just slide them into one of the slots. There's one, two, this one I leave empty in case I want to put my cell phone in there, 3 and 4 slots, and the back slot has spots for you to put credit card, driver's license, that sort of thing. So that's my most used purse right now. Handbag, I should say. So my least used handbag is actually my fanciest one. It's a little wristlet type of purse like this that's meant for fancy occasion. It has some clear seed beads and then some faceted silver tone beads all along the strap. And then it has one of these clasps here that you push on opposite to open up. And then inside it just has satin and one little pocket here. Now in this pocket, sorry, I have an itchy nose. I actually have a little mirror. This was from another handbag, small evening bag that my mother had used when she was young, and she gave it to me, that bag, but the bag fell apart, but I kept the mirror because it's a nice mirror and it fits right in that little pocket. Now I don't use this very often because it's very fancy, and the other reason is it's not big enough to hold my current cell phone. So that is what I would normally put in here, my cell phone, ID, credit card, and that would be about it for an evening purse. So unless I'm wearing a jacket with a pocket, I don't use this one very often. So that's my least used one. And now lastly, my cutest one. And this one was a present. It's also kind of small, but it's this one. It's black and white. And I had told my husband I wanted a purse for evening wear that was a little bit bigger than that last one I showed you. And so this was what I got as a present. And I do use this. It's big enough to hold my cell phone inside. It has this zipper compartment here. I don't know where he got it. The lining, I'm trying to read the lining. It says LN or DN. I can't really tell what it is. But on this side, there's 1, 2, 3 slots for credit card, driver's license, that sort of thing. So this is the perfect size now because it will fit my cell phone. And I think it's very cute. This flap just slides into this white leather strap. And it goes like that. Now this is meant to be just over your shoulder or over your arm. So it's not crossbody, although maybe I could make it crossbody. I don't know if you can see that. It comes up a little high, so I guess you could wear it that way if you wanted it to be a little more secure if you're traveling and out and about. But generally when I use this purse, I just put it over my shoulder like that. So that's my cutest purse. Are you noticing a theme here? They're all kind of small. I really don't like big handbags. For me, they always tend to accumulate a lot of stuff inside of them, and I don't want to have to go through and clean them out a lot. Now, with such small bags, where do I put my keys, you may be wondering? Well, I'm going to show you. I like to get this type of key fob, a carabiner, or one that goes like this, and then I just slip it over the strap of my bag. This one happens to have a fuzzy pom-pom on it, but I really like that because then I know they're secure, they're handy to me, and I never misplace them because they are always hanging on the strap of my bag, like so. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, why don't you give me a thumbs up? And if you are new to my channel, as I mentioned in the intro, I do post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. So why don't you consider subscribing by clicking the icon in the corner of this video or the subscribe button down below. And if you are a YouTube creator, I am picking you in this tag. I'm not going to pick anybody in particular or specific people. Just if you're a YouTube creator and you want to participate in the tag, why don't you go ahead? That's it for now. I hope you will come back and see me again soon. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.